Hey all the charming people, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. In today's video I'm going to make this braided band sort of hairstyle, which is very easy, so let's get started.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause
So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Become part of this charming family by subscribing to this channel. Also hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. That's all for today. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye. Take care.